Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Acorn in Grand Mobile. This special item is crafted within the alchemic laboratory, often as part of exciting in-game events. The process involves a series of elemental combinations, transforming basic materials into more complex ones. We'll go through each step, ensuring you understand exactly what to combine to successfully create your very own Acorn. Get ready to dive into the world of alchemy. Let's start with the foundational steps for crafting Acorn. First, you'll need to combine two basic elements, sand and fire. When these are mixed in the laboratory, they will transform into glass. Once you have your glass, the next step is to combine it with another unit of sand. This specific combination is key, as it will then create the element called time, moving you closer to your goal. Now for the exciting final step to craft Acorn. After successfully creating the element time, you're just one combination away. You will need to combine your newly acquired time with a tree. Make sure you have a tree available in your inventory or within your alchemic laboratory. Once these two elements are combined, you will have successfully crafted Acorn, completing this intricate alchemy sequence. To ensure smooth crafting, always double-check your inventory for all necessary materials before starting. Remember, all these elemental combinations take place exclusively within the alchemic laboratory. Successfully crafting Acorn is often a requirement for completing specific event tasks, which can reward you with valuable in-game items, currency, or other exciting bonuses. Happy crafting and enjoy your rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.